Hello, I'm Garry Beardmore, the dealer principal here at Arbury in Walsall. This is the fourth video in the Going the Extra Mile series, where we show you how to take care of your vehicle and your safety on longer journeys. Today is National Dashcam Day, so this episode is all about dashcams and why you might want to consider them for your vehicle. So, what is a dashcam? It's a small camera mounted on your dashboard or windscreen that faces the road ahead. You can also have a rear-facing dash camera too. It turns on when you start the vehicle and records your journey. Some dashcams have a parking mode as well that detects the movement when your vehicle is parked in case any damage or incidents can occur when you're away from the vehicle, such as someone knocking your wing mirrors or bumping into your vehicle. So, is it worthwhile getting a dashcam? Well, when you venture out onto the roads, we all know that we're taking risks and there is a very small chance we could be involved in an incident. If the worst does happen, and we do have an accident, the insurance companies will want to understand how that accident happened and potentially who's to blame so they know how to deal with any claim. This is all well and good if there's plenty of reliable witnesses that can give you accurate accounts of the incident, but without any witnesses, it's often just one person's word against another. That's where the dashcam can be really useful. The camera doesn't lie, and in the event of an incident, the recorded video footage can be used by the insurer to determine who or what was at fault. Also, many dashcams timestamp the footage in a way that makes it tamper-proof, which makes it a great source of evidence. Many insurers now do accept dashcam footage, and in the case of a claim, it can help reduce the cost of your premiums. However, it's worth checking with your insurance provider to see if dashcam usage affects your policy in any way. In terms of which dashcam should you buy, there are plenty out there in the market. You have the option of buying dashcams that plug into the 12-volt plug in your car or hardwired dashcams. You can add a 12-volt powered dashcam with relative ease by following the instructions, mounting the dashcam behind the windscreen mirror so it has a clear view of the road ahead, but also so it doesn't block the driver's view in any way. Then simply power it up by plugging it into the 12-volt port. Now, every time the car is running, the camera will start up and record your journey. The only issues you may have with this is you may have the cable coming down over the centre of the dashboard, and you often don't get a rear camera with this kind of setup. However, if you opt for a hardwired dashcam that will plug into the fuse box of your car, now this is trickier to install, but will cover the front and rear of the car much better. So if you go for the hardwired dashcams, then we recommend you save yourself the hassle of the installation and speak to an expert team like us here at Arbury in order to get this fitted for you. At the same time, we do offer a complimentary vehicle health check where our manufacturer approved technicians can review your vehicle safety to make sure your car is fit for those longer journeys. Thanks for watching and see you soon at Arbury.